Hey guys, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is okay. Today is a great day. It's sunny outside and I'm very happy for that, as you guys can see, right? Hey, do you like to go to the zoo? I like to go to the zoo. The zoo is fun. Yeah, I like to go to Taipei Zoo in Taiwan. It's great because you can go there with your family, you can walk around and see other animals like elephants, zebras, and many birds at Taipei Zoo, right? Yeah. The zoo is a great place to go and have a great time with your friends and family. Yes. So, in this video, I have two questions that I want to ask you. Here we go. Have you ever been to Taipei Zoo? You can say, yes, I have been to Taipei Zoo. Or you can say, no, I haven't been to Taipei Zoo. Yeah. Here's the second question. What are three things you like about the zoo? I will tell you the three things I like about the zoo. I like to go to the zoo because I can see the tigers. Roar! I can walk around and see many other animals. That's number two. And finally, I can take the train around Taipei Zoo. Yes! There's a train at Taipei Zoo. You know that? Yeah. Okay guys, now it's your turn to answer my two questions, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.